Alam niyo ba, tapos when we were going back home na, may isang nag-ano sa'kin, tinawag ako ni Ate Kea was like, "Mika," tinatanong niya kung saan ka daw nagpakulay. I was like, "Ay, ako lang 'to, nagkulay." Kasi pinatungan ko 'to, 'di ba, ilang beses na. So, and then he was asking for the brand. So, I was like, "Oh, I actually don't know the brand, but I can just like get back to you on that." Sabi niya, "How can you?" So we exchanged. Like she took a photo of my IG and like ang loud kasi so I couldn't hear what her IG was. Ganun. Anong shade? As in red. Red talaga. Itong, as in, ito na yon. Pero kasi, nung nag-retouch ako for showtime, naubos siya. Naubos yung red. Kaya hindi siya pantay-pantay. Basta hindi yan pantay-pantay sa lahat ng areas. May kita din. Thank you, Charm. Who taught you how to dye your hair? My best friend Patricio taught me how. Like, I asked him first to dye my hair kasi I was scared. Walang bleach. Yeah, this is no bleach. You guys don't, to get the dark red hair color, you shouldn't bleach your hair. Don't bleach it because it's gonna destroy your hair. If you want bright red, then go bleach it. But no one wants bright red. Come on. I mean, I don't want bright red. I mean, maybe I don't think I'm gonna do bright red. Red lang. Yeah, this is red lang. Pero may binili akong hair dye na purple, red violet. But like, I don't know if I should try it. I think it's like burgundy yung itsura. Right? Thank you, Blue Shane. I don't know. Yeah. First time mo i-dye on your own. Yeah. You remind me of Urza or of Fairy Tail. Oh, Urza. I love Urza. I think this color should stick for a while. I know! Oh, alam niyo guys, yung suot ni Miss Kath sa premiere was what Joanna wore nung Strings MV shoot. Like, compare nyo. Tingnan nyo. Right? After na tong live, magtatanggal lang. Ay, pagpadulo na ng live, magtatanggal ako ng makeup. Mag-unready, get unready with me. Ay, talaga. Pero yeah, busy si Jo. Papanoorin niya naman yun. Make face. Pag nag-reach tayo ng 200K. Then we're fine, I'll do the freaking make face thing. Actually, nag-fade na nga yung makeup ko eh.